everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're diving into a solution for a common frustration among owners of Sony's fantastic noise-canceling headphones. If one has experienced their beloved Sony WH-1000XM4 XM3, WH-CH720N, or other compatible models starting to exhibit annoying whistling, wind noise, or murmurs, then this product is designed specifically to address those issues. We're talking about the Funyama noise-canceling headset microphone replacement, which comes in a convenient 2-pack. This replacement microphone is engineered to bring the noise-canceling performance of one's headset back to its original, factory-fresh state. The manufacturer highlights that it incorporates a high-quality microphone chip sourced from Japan, combined with advanced production technology and rigorous quality testing. The promise here is that the noise-canceling effect will be exactly the same as the original microphone, allowing users to restore their premium audio experience without needing to purchase an entirely new headset. It's presented as a cost-effective way to rejuvenate an otherwise perfectly good pair of headphones. Compatibility is broad, covering many popular Sony noise-canceling models, including the WH-1000XM4, WH-1000XM3, WH-1000XM2, WH-CH710, WH-CH720N, WH-XB910N, and WH-CH520, among others. This wide range means many Sony headphone users facing these specific microphone issues could benefit from this replacement. Now, regarding installation, it's important to note that this is not a plug-and-play solution for everyone. The process is described as effortless, but explicitly states it requires soldering expertise. This means that while the physical replacement might be straightforward for someone with the right skills, it's not a task for the uninitiated. For those comfortable with a soldering iron, it offers a direct path to repair. A helpful warm tip from the manufacturer suggests that if the new microphone's connecting cable or silicone sleeve isn't perfectly compatible, users should continue to use the original components from their headphones. This shows a practical understanding of potential variations in headphone models and encourages a flexible approach to installation. The confidence in this product is further bolstered by a 2-year warranty and a money-back guarantee. This provides a significant level of assurance for anyone considering this repair. If a user isn't completely satisfied, the option for a replacement or refund is available, which is always a welcome aspect when dealing with component repairs. Ultimately, for those with the technical know-how or access to someone who does, this Funyama microphone replacement offers a compelling way to restore the pristine noise-canceling capabilities of their Sony headphones, extending their lifespan and value.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.